Welcome to Math with Mrs. Howard. In this video, we are going to learn about how to change a mixed number to improper fractions. We're going to use a method called the C method to complete this. The C method begins with the denominator times the whole number. Then you take that answer and you add your numerator. You're then going to transfer that information to your new numerator. And your original denominator in the original mixed number is going to stay the same in the improper fraction as well. Let's get started with number 1. Taking a look at number 1, our denominator is 3 and our whole number is 2. So our first step is to take 3 times 2. That would give us 6. And then we add our numerator of 2. 6 and 2 is 8. And then our original denominator in the mixed number just slides over to our improper fraction. So we get 8 over 3. Again, we're using the C method, starting with the denominator times the whole number, taking that answer and adding in the numerator. And that becomes our new numerator, and our denominator just slides over. Let's take a look at number 2. We're going to start with our denominator of 4. Times our whole number of 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. We're going to take that answer and add 3. 4 and 3 is 7. So we're going to end up with 7 over 4. All right, let's continue on doing improper fractions using the C method. Again, the C method is denominator times whole number, taking that answer, adding the numerator, and then keeping the original denominator in the mixed number problem. So here we go. In problem number 3, we are going to take 2 times 4, our denominator times our whole. That gives us 8. We add our 1. So we get a new numerator as 9. We keep our original denominator over 2. 9 over 2. For problem number 4, we're going to look at taking our denominator times our whole, which means we take 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Then we're going to add our numerator to that answer. We get 34. Keep our original denominator over 6. So our final answer is 34 over 6. And that is how you change mixed numbers to improper fractions using the C method. Well, that is all we have for today's lesson. Thanks so much for watching Math with Mrs. Howard.